In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Epson Expression Home XP-410 series printer on your Linux, Windows, or Mac OS laptop, tablet, or traditional desktop PC. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser. Into Google, you want to search for Epson Expression Home XP-410 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results, you come back with an Epson support page. This is Epson XP-410. Go ahead and select that page. And then scrolling down, you want to select your operating system from the drop-down menu and select Go. And then going down again, you can select the driver and utility combo package. Go ahead and download that to your machine. And then once it's on your computer, open up that file to run it. Should be a signed verified publisher from Epson. Go ahead and select yes. It says this file contains the Epson XP-410 driver and utility combo package. Select OK. And then just proceed with the installer here, getting your preferences configured for wired versus wireless printing, as well as optional features or programs you may want to install alongside of your printer software. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.